Hello everyone, this is Mo and you are welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will talk about hydrating toners for beginner. If you're someone who just uses watery mist kind of toner and you want a hydrating toner to try out, or in general if you are someone who doesn't like hydrating toners that leave a volume on your skin, then this video is for you. Even I used to use those liquidy light kind of toners, but ever since I started using hydrating toners, I never turned back. Why? Because the way they improved my skin, it's like amazing. I'm talking about the glow, the hydration level, the plumpness, the texture improvement. They become a game changer for my skin. I don't give that much credit to even serums, and that's why those viscous toners or essences, in general hydrators, became my most favorite skincare category. But I still think if you are new to those kind of texture, you may find it little uncomfortable at the beginning. I mean, not you, your skin may find it's like, what's that? And it can react back. So here I am to help you. We will start with this toner from Benton. It's their Snail Bee High Content Skin. It's watery, extremely lightweight, fast absorbing yet potent hydrating toner that you can use also as a first treatment essence during your peptide routine. Why? Because it contains peptides. Alongside it also contains snail mucin and bee venom, which is well known for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. So it's ideal for oily, acne prone skin. Although it contains snail mucin, but it doesn't look like you are putting a snail product because it's extremely lightweight. It doesn't feel like you are putting a hydrating toner. Yeah, you feel the hydrating nature, but after layering it for third or fourth time. But before that, it feels like you are putting just a watery toner. And it's also fragrance free and they are dermatologically tested. In general, I love Benton as a product. Not only this one, they have various nail product for different skin type. The next one is this OG cult favorite Supple free preparation toner from Klairs. They are available in two different variants. One is made for sensitive skin that doesn't contain any artificial fragrance or essential oil. Another one is same, just that has essential oil. I didn't have any issue with that one having essential oil. I just grabbed whatever on sale. This is what I think when I think about hydrating toner. The texture is in between watery toner and serum, little viscous, but not too viscous that they leave a volume on your skin. They don't absorb within 2-3 seconds. That takes little bit of time, like 10 to 15 seconds, and you don't use them with cotton pad. You will put it in your hands and you pat it. Let me tell you one thing, the basic difference between a Western toner and an Asian toners. In Western skincare, the toner is considered as a cleansing step, whereas in Asian toners, the toner concept is completely different. I would say very vast. They have major roles. They add hydration to your skin. That's why they are called hydrating toners. They maintain the pH balance. They prepare your skin for further steps so the other skincare products penetrate better, and they restore your skin cell that can be damaged by the surfactant used in cleanser. I recommended this Supple free preparation by Klairs to many people because it's easily available in India, and they're also available in small 30 ml bottles, so you can try, then you can buy. Now this toner is almost 97 to 98% similar to our next product, and that is Essence Toners by Hatomugi. Just check how they named it, Essence Toner. Toner that feels like essence, that works like essence, the texture similar to essence and potent like essence, and it hydrates your skin like an essence. It's so similar to the Supple free preparation by Klairs that you cannot detect. I mean, you can easily call them by dupe. How they feel on your skin, not ingredient wise. You can detect the difference if you are someone who uses any one of them for a long time, then you switch. They are not anhydrous, they feel quite refreshing on your skin. Since I am used to with those hydrating toners, I can layer them 5 or 6 times, even 7 times. If I do, I just move on with a moisturizer. I don't apply anything else. Our next product is this black rice toner by Haruharu. The consistency, I mean the thickness wise, it's very similar to the Hatomugi or Klairs, but texture is little different. I would say it has a silky touch. It feels little silky and it also leaves a silky finish, but it doesn't feel suffocating at all. Don't worry. It's also available in 2 different variants. One is for sensitive skin, another one is normal one that contains some essential oil. Again, I didn't have any issue with one that contains essential oil. The fragrance is very mild, I would say very soothing, little therapeutic. My husband also likes how it smells. They are also available in 300 ml, which is right now in 40% sale on Macaron. ये अगर खत्म हो जाएगा और offer will be there, I will definitely pick the 300 ml because I always pick something that my husband also likes. One thing I forgot to mention, that the Essence Toner by Pyunkang Yul is fragrance free. Not only this one, the products that I have used by far from this brand, all are fragrance free and they are safe to use on your babies. I mean, definitely कौन baby को toners लगाएगा, but their moisturizer, body oil, body wash, shampoo, body lotion, they are all safe for infants. Then I have two serums. Why? Because they feel more like a toner than serums. First, this Centella ampule from Skin1004. The texture and the consistency is identical like this Haruharu toner. This is also a single ingredient product, that is 100% Centella. It's definitely an ampule because of this high concentration of this ingredient, but it feels like a hydrating toner. I mean, I use it like a toner. Then is this hyaluronic acid toner from S&P. It's from their hyaluronic range, which is made for sensitive skin because it's devoid of any artificial color, fragrance or essential oil. Although it is serum, but it is fast absorbing, non-sticky and lighter than the toner from their Peptonic range. Now let's talk about a J Beauty toner. It's a Hatomugi toner by Naturi. Hatomugi is a seed also known as quack seed. It's a very traditional ingredient in Japanese beauty, like green tea or ginseng in Korean beauty or turmeric, coconut oil in our Indian beauty. So it's not an ingredient that will drastically change your skin within 1 or 2 months. Japanese people, they keep at least one Hatomugi product, toner or serum or moisturizer every day in their skincare routine. So they keep it to maintain their skin, like the way we use coconut oil from childhood to our old age. Consistency of this toner is watery. You feel its hydrating nature if you layer it 9th or 10th times. इतना टाइम नहीं है, so you can consider it is like a hydrating toner that feels like water. I in fact use it as a mist toner. I put it in a mist bottle and I spray it, and you can see it's available in 500 ml. I have seen it's also available in 1 liter, so it's a value product. Let's back to our K Beauty toner. It's the Mugwort essence from From. The bottle, the packaging, the product, the quality and the price tag, everything screams luxury. This is what I call Korean forest essential. I mean luxury Ayurveda. They pick the finest quality ingredient and they put the finest quality price tag. You must be thinking, why should I pay more than 2000 for just a hydrating toner? Yeah, you are right, but it is one of those few products that I purchase with full price. I don't look for the sale. Whenever I run out of the product, I place an order. Why? To me, it's not a skincare, it's a medicine. This is a boon for my extremely sensitive skin. Whenever I suffer from any rashes that you can think of, I layer it 5-6 times and then I seal it with the Midnight Blue Calming Cream from Klairs, and next day I'm completely okay. If you want me to pick a single toner for my entire life, I will pick this one. Before I finish this video with my last toner, I have some honorable mentions. The Quad Essence by Wish Friend, the Ginseng Essence from Beauty of Joseon, and the Hyaluronic Acid Toner by Isntree. Not the Hyaluronic Acid Plus, that's thicker. Okay, these 3, they all come in the same category. I just didn't include them in this video because I haven't tried the full bottle. I have tried only in mini sizes. I will review them once I try the full bottle. Among all these 3, I'm most interested in this Quad Essence by Wish Friend because I have heard that it's very soothing and it's more lightweight. Now we have our last toner. It's the Yamroot toner by Isntree. It's a recent purchase, like 1.5 months, but I have given a good try. Actually bought it assuming it to be a moisturizing milky toner, but no, it's not. It's a hydrating toner. Yeah, it feels moisturizing, but after 4th or 5th layer. Before that, you can consider it is a hydrating toner. It's also a good pick for your peptide serum because the hero ingredient, that is Yamroot, contains peptide. It's a vegan alternative to your snail mucin. I have also tried the Yamroot essence from V-Green, but I preferred the Isntree because the texture is refreshing and more elegant, and the quantity is also better. And that's all with my today's video. I'm not very happy with today's video. Please let me know if you don't like anything, or just suggest me how we can improve. What are other things you want to listen, whether I am talking too much or not. I mean, just help me with improving my quality. See you soon. Bye.